This poem is about my grandmother who had 10 children, and she had a very difficult childhood, but she made a life for herself that she could be proud of. The sewing machine. For my grandmother, the self-made woman, mother of 10 children. The rattle of stitches, recycling coats, shirts, and vests for each of the 10. Dined within the noise, memories of a mother who lived in sin. Quick, bring the needle to pin her down, bury her deep, and forget the cruelty of the nuns who salvaged the soul and tucked the heart. The past noted, the surface clean in Jesus' gentle hands. Entangle the thread, weave a halo around the head of the heroine of tough love, the martyr of sex.